This is the Hotel Barceló Sants, and I'm going to take you through my experience at the hotel. Okay, let's talk about the good, and then we'll talk about the bad. The first thing you're going to notice about this hotel is the theming. It's a strong space-themed hotel. Now, that's going to mean that everything you see has this sort of modern, minimalistic spin. If that's your thing, you'll definitely like this hotel. Now, another nice thing about this property was its upkeep. It's clean and spotless. I couldn't find a single thing out of place in this room. A great feature, which absolutely makes sense since it's a space-themed hotel, is the access of plugs and outlets throughout the entire room. One of the biggest things that's going for this hotel is its location. It is intimately connected with the transportation system of Barcelona, and you can get anywhere in the city. The hotel itself is literally on top of the metro. Now, let me explain one of the things that I did not like about this hotel. The worst thing that was going on for it was the check-in experience. On arrival at the hotel, there was maybe 4 individuals ahead of me in line for the check-in. The problem was, there was only one person working the check-in desk at the time. Each one of those groups took about 10 minutes. That meant I was standing in line for over 40 minutes to get checked into my room. Then, once I did reach the front of the line and checked in, I was told that my room wasn't ready yet. That's the worst after a long flight. So, the good things about this hotel is the transportation access, the theming, and the facility itself. And the not so good was the check-in experience itself and the room not being ready once I was able to check in. Okay, so if you can find a good deal in this hotel and you're looking for a place that's close to access hubs, this might not be a bad choice. Let me know what you think about the Hotel Barcelo in the comments below.